In this illustration, we'll discuss about motion along a sine curve without skidding. Here we are given that a car moves at uniform speed along a curve y is b sine x by alpha, where b and alpha are positive constants, and they're also saying the friction coefficient between road and tires is mu. We are going to find the maximum possible speed of car for its motion along curve without skidding. Now in this situation, if we draw the track along which the car is moving, this is like a sine curve which is given as y is b sine x by alpha, so the equation would be like this. And in this situation, the curve is drawn between plus b and minus b. Now if a car is moving along this curve, we know well that for safe turning of a car without skidding, the maximum speed at which the car can move is given as root mu rg, where r is the radius of curvature in which it is moving, or the speed should be less than or equal to this value. And here we can see wherever along this curve r is minimum, those are the points where the curve is at maximum or minimum. Say this is a point A or B or C. These are the points where we can see the radius of curvature is minimum. So we can see the speed required to move at this point should be least. That will be the maximum permissible speed, because if speed exceeds that value, car will skid at these points. And at all other points, as the radius of curvature is less, certainly it will not skid. So we can calculate the minimum radius of curvature of track can be given by the relation r is 1 plus dy by dx whole square to power 3 by 2 divided by d square y by dx square magnitude. And in this situation here we can calculate the curve trajectory is given as b sine of x by alpha. So here dy by dx is equals to b by alpha cos of x by alpha, and then second derivative is d square y by dx square can be written as minus b by alpha sine of b by alpha square sine of x by alpha. And here if we calculate the minimum value, that will be at point A, where we can see this is the point where we can write x by alpha is equals to pi by 2. So sine pi by 2 becomes 1. So d square y by dx square at position A can be written as minus b by alpha square. So if we substitute the values here, we can see the slope is 0. So there's 1 plus 0 to power 3 by 2 divided by the magnitude of d square y by dx square is b by alpha square. So this equals to alpha square by b, that is the radius of curvature. So the maximum speed we can calculate at which a car can travel without skidding will be given by this relation, which is root of mu r we can write as alpha square by b multiplied by g. So this will be alpha root of mu g by b. That will be the result of this problem.